Hello parents and students, this is Mr. G. This is a tutorial on how to navigate the Google Classroom. We've already sent out a video on how to get there, so you should remember that you just are clicking here after they've logged into their U46 email account, and it must be that email account. You just click the Google Classroom button after clicking more, and you're going to go to our Comp Apps class. And now we're in the stream. The first part we're going to look at is over here called About. There's some very important things that you're going to find in the About section. The first one that I want to point to is the daily agenda. This gives you what we're up to every day. So you can click on here, it tells you QOD 10, and each day there's a QOD. That just means your question of the day. And they answer that at the start of class. There'll be one every single day. And then it just walks you through each item. Each of these items, typically, you're going to find the directions for these in the stream, which I'll show you in a minute. The one item that won't be in the stream because it's such a big project, I put the Genius Hour right here. And that's a separate presentation. So after you've already gone through, and let's say you're on day 13, whichever day, and you find out that you need to go in there, so let's pick a day like yesterday we were in the Genius Hour day slide, so now I could go up to the directions for Genius Hour, click it, and here they are. So now I can go to here's day 5, we wrote the pitch. Day 6, we were practicing, rehearse, record, and upload, and everything you need is there. Each day we add something to it, the same presentation. You're going to see this thing grow, and we'll eventually end up with maybe 14 or so different slides on here. So this is where you get all your information for Genius Hour. Lastly, you'll find the rubrics right here. So it doesn't matter which one. So maybe we have our pitch coming up. So maybe you click on the Genius Hour ones. You'll notice there's a ton of different rubrics here, but everything you know or need to know is right here. So that's everything that you find in the About section, which is super helpful. Now the specifics from the agenda you find in the stream. Like today they're working on evaluating authoritative websites, so it's their ITW slide number 5. The ITW, those are found in their Google Drive along with their Genius Hour slides. So if you're trying to find those, you'd have to go to their Google Drive. Here's the question of the day. Every day there's some type of question that starts the class. Here's where it just tells them they're going to turn in their pitch right here. So a lot of our daily work you'll find right here. You'll also find some of the tutorials here. Like here's a big unit we're doing on our graphic design. All the tutorials are here. They're all on YouTube, so you can access those from home as well, and you have access to everything that your students are learning in class as well. So this is designed so you can see the directions, the rubrics, just everything we're up to, and have very specific questions if you need to contact me, and we can kind of go back and forth. But hopefully this tutorial is helpful on just letting you know how to navigate this Google Classroom and just access everything we're up to. If you have any other questions, feel free to email me. Thanks a lot.